Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Cypherium Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cypherium Wallet application on your device, and once it is opened up, you can find the sign up section right at the home page. If you don't already have your account, you can simply proceed with typing in your credentials such as your wallet name and then entering your password. After typing in your desired password for your wallet, go ahead and type in your password once again to confirm it and then tap on the next button. You will then be shown the backup mnemonic that you will need to use for your account in order to recover your account in the future or in order to log in after you have been logged out from your account. So make sure that you save this passphrase in a safe place so that you can access this later on easily. After saving this phrase, tap on the next button, and now you will be asked to enter the mnemonics according to its original order. After entering the mnemonics in its original order, tap on the verify button, and now you will be officially signed up to your account on the Cypherium Wallet, and you can immediately start using it from the application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Cypherium Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.